Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to create a double exposure videos in your TikTok. So lots of video effects are available in this TikTok, but most of them like this double exposure effects. So if you like to make a double exposure videos, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and then click to sign in your account details. So now in this homepage section, you can press this plus icon and the video creation icon. And my mobile camera is turned on. At the same time, you can note one thing. In bottom it shows three options, and the first one is 60 seconds, and the second one is 15 seconds, and the final one is templates. But you can press templates. So in this section, you can locate the double exposure effects. So finally I locate it. So just press select photos option from this effect. And my mobile gallery is opening. So here you can select any two photos. But the maximum upload limit is only 2 photos because here I select 15 seconds video. So once you select it, finally you can click to OK. And then it starts to processing. So be patient. So and then you can see now my double exposure video preview is ready. So if you want to change this background music, just press this sounds icon and it is placed at the bottom of first one. So here it shows some default music, but if you want to add custom music, just press the search tool icon and then locate it. So otherwise, if you like to publish this upload, just press next option and then write anything about your video within this description column. So once you write it, so finally you can click to post this double exposure video on your TikTok timeline. So this is the way you can easily create a TikTok double exposure videos by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.